Today, we're going to be working on Lesson 19 in page 135 in our math notebook. If you need to pause the video at any time, you can. Okay, we have a word problem. Sue ran 9/10 mile on Monday and 7/10 mile on Tuesday. How many miles did Sue run in 2 days? We need to underline the important information in our word problem. So what would be some things that are important to underline in the word problem? Well, she ran 9/10 mile on Monday, and she ran 7/10 mile on Tuesday. And if we have to figure out how many miles she ran in 2 days, we have to find the total. So that probably means we need to add our fractions together. So we're going to write down that we have 9/10 plus 7/10, and we say 9 plus 7 equals 16/10. But it's improper. So now, because it's improper, we're going to have to break it apart and figure out how many wholes and what would be left as the fraction. How many times does 10 go into 16? Well, I can make 10/10, and then I would have 6/10 left over. So my mixed number would be 1 whole and 6/10. So she ran 1 whole and 6/10 miles. Don't forget to label your answer when you are done. Okay, let's look at number 2. Mr. Sarzar cut his son's birthday cake into 8 equal pieces. 8 equal pieces is important, so we underline it. Mr. Sarzar, Mrs. Sarzar, and the birthday boy each ate 1 piece of cake. 1 piece of cake is important. What fraction of the cake was left? So if it says left, we know we probably need to subtract. So we have to make this into fractions. There's 8 equal pieces of cake. So if we have a whole cake, what would our fraction be? So we know each person ate 1/8 of the cake. And we know that there are 3 people. So each person ate 1/8 of the cake. And there's 8 equal pieces in our cake. So first, we're going to show what each person ate. So 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 3/8. So we know that they ate 3/8, but we have to find what's left. If the cake had 8 equal pieces, we know that the whole cake would have 8/8. Because the whole cake is 8/8, and we know that they ate 3/8, we can subtract those fractions, and 8 minus 3 equals 5/8. So we know that they ate 5/8 of the cake was left. Okay, let's look at 3. Maria spent 4/7 of her money on a book and saved the rest. What fraction of her money did she save? We underline 4/7 and saved the rest. We have to figure out what fraction she saved. So first, we have to figure out how much she saved. And we know she spent 4/7 of her money. We know that a total of her money would be 7/7. That would make the whole. If we subtract the 4/7 that she spent, 7/7 minus 4/7 equals 3/7. So we know that she saved the rest of the money. If she had 3/7 left, then that's what she saved. 3/7 were saved. Okay, you are working on Zern Lesson 19. Please watch the video and make sure that you are working out the problems in your Zern notebook. Also, if you do not finish Zern, you should be working at home.